how you can set time and date on the Facebook group post. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can set date and time on the Facebook group post. Even if you are not using Facebook, then your post will be published on that time and date. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it. And then you will see group options. Click on it. And then tap on your groups and select the group on which you want to schedule post. Then click on write something. Then tap on photo and videos. And here you can select the post on which you want to schedule. Here is the schedule options. Click on it. Then turn it on and select the date on which you want to publish this post. After selecting the date, click on OK and then select the time. That time, it is that time on which your post will be published. After selecting the time, click on OK. So then click on schedule. So in this way you can set time and date on the Facebook group post. So even if you are not using mobile or Facebook, on that time and date your post will be published. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.